Good afternoon. How are you today? I hope you are doing fine. This is Teacher Tracy again, and we are going to continue learning with Mathayom 3. So today we are going to open our book. We are going to continue on page 5. We are going to continue on page 5, and page 5, part 5 says, construct a linear inequality for each of the following situations using the symbols, which means smaller than, greater than, smaller than, greater than or equal to, and the last one, smaller than or equal to. We are going to use 1, 2, 3, 4 symbols to answer part A, B, and part C. So example 1. The number of students X in each class is not more than. We have the not more than. You have to note this word. X. The number of student X in each class is not more than 45. Is not more than. Not means no, not more than. It means 45 is the highest number. So the number of students is not more than 45. So your answer should be is smaller than or equal to 45, but not more than 45. Okay? Very good. Let us do part A. Part A. The length of a string X centimeter that is used to tie a box must be at least 30 centimeters. Must be at least. You note the word at. Must be at least 30 centimeters. That means your answer is going to be X is greater than or 30. At least the length of a string X centimeter that is used to tie a box must be. Denote the keyword must be, which means it's either great, it cannot be smaller than, it's greater or it's equal to 30. So your equation is going to be like this. Okay? Part B. The number of marbles X in a box is less than. Very easy. Less than. The symbol of less than. The number of marble X in a box is less than 10. And you have finished. Okay? So you have to note the key words in those sentences. A. The length of a string X centimeter that is used to tie a box must be at least. Must be at least. The key word is must be. Must be at least. You have to note this one. B. Less than. Okay? Can you try part C? The perimeter P centimeter of a rectangle is more than the perimeter of a square of size 4 centimeters. Remember, a square has how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4. So if one side is 4, how many sides altogether? So is it greater than, smaller smaller than, equal or smaller than, or greater or equal to. Okay? Try part C, write your answer, and I will check for you. Okay? Very good. Have you finished? Okay, so we are going to try something new today. We are going to perform computations on inequalities. How to add, minus, times, divide, okay? On inequalities. An example on page 5 down here. We have 5 is greater than 3, and we have inside the bracket we have 4. Look at what your book says. Write a new inequality for each of the following inequalities when both sides are added back. So we are using both plus. I don't know if you can see up there. Very good. We are going to use plus, added one. So example, you say 5 plus 4 is greater than 3 plus 4. You add both sides using the number on your bracket. Okay? So what is 5 plus 4? 9 is greater than 3 plus 4, 7. Finish. You have a new inequality. Okay? Try part A. We have 6 is greater than 4. In Mathayom 1, we taught you negative times negative equal, positive times positive equal. Do you remember? Okay, so I had to write for you. Positive times positive equal positive. Negative times negative equals positive. Positive times negative equals negative. Negative times positive equals negative. So when you come back to your equation, positive times negative equal negative. Positive times negative equal negative. So you have to minus. 6 minus 2 is 4. Okay? 4 minus 2 is 2. So your answer is 4 is greater than 2. Let us try part B. 5 is greater than negative 6. Inside the bracket we have 3. So what do you do? 5 plus 3 is greater than negative 6 plus 3. What is 5 5 plus 3, 8 is greater than negative times positive is negative. So is 6 minus 3, you get negative 3. Understand? You go back to your chart. So you have negative 6 minus plus 3. What is your answer? Your answer is negative 3. Okay? If you don't understand, let me show you example. When you have a number line, you have negative 6, you have negative 5, negative 4, negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2. From 0 up to negative 6. This is negative 6. Plus 3. You go 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. What is your answer? Your answer is negative 3. If you don't remember how to use these symbols, positive times positive or negative times negative, if you don't know how to use this, you can find a piece of paper and use the number line. It's very easy, okay? Very good. So today we are not going to do so much work. I want you to try and practice. We have done part A and B with teacher Tracy. So I want you to practice C, D and E on page 6. And if you have any questions, you can ask on the YouTube channel. I will answer you. Try part C, D and E. C, D and E. Let me try part C with you. We also have numbers that look like this. X is greater than 8. And we have 3 on the outside. You still do the same thing. X plus 3 is smaller than 8 plus 3. So what you do is x plus 3 is greater than 8 plus 3, 11. So your answer cannot be like this. You have to minus both sides. You have to remain with x, okay? So you're going to have x plus 3 minus 3 is greater than 11 minus 3. So these 3 and these 3, they will cancel each other. You remain in x. 11 minus 3. So your answer remains the same as the question, okay? So I've done part A, B, and C. Can you try part D and E? And next time we are going to try subtraction, okay? Thank you very much. Thank you.